whispers in the trees, soft winds weaving through the leaves. The sun bends low to kiss the seas. Wonder, keep moving on. Every shadow leads to dawn. Find your place where you belong. Wanderer, keep moving on. Mountains hum their quiet tune, a silver thread of rising moon. Footsteps fall like drops of June. The earth that breathes the stories untold. Your heart, the compass steady and bold. Wanderer, keep moving on. Every shadow leads to dawn. Find your place where you belong. Wanderer, keep moving on. In every turn a piece of sky, in every mile a question why. For answers bloom where you that whispers in the trees, soft winds weaving through the leaves. The sun bends low to kiss the seas. Wonder,